What's up, gamers? I'm back with another video, and I'm on Madden Mobile this time. And so, I'm doing this just for the content. So, I got this 98 overall punt returner, Tyreek Hill, but I'm taking him out to get 4 Madden Max badges. This might be a mistake, but... Okay, let's go to sets, go to Madden Max. Hold on. Alright, goodbye, Tyreek Hill. Wait, hold on. I get 4 Madden Max badges, right? Alright, I get 4. Woo! This is sad. Honestly. Alright. Alright, guys, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get 4 of these players and this, and I'm gonna see what I'm gonna get. Alright. Oh, let's go! 90 overall, Patrick Willis. Let's go, guys. Alright. What's our next player? Yo! Guys! Honors Lamar Jackson, now I have the ultimate freeze, dude. Yo! I'm actually so happy. Alright, let's see what we get this time, boys. Okay. Let's go! Dude, this is the best pack opening. I got Stephon Gilmore. Oh my god, guys. I'm making sure I'm still recording this. Okay. Oh my... Bro. I'm updating my team right now, bro. Guys, this was actually like the best pack opening I've ever done, bro. Dude, I'm actually so happy right now. Oh my god, bro. Forgot who I even got. Wow. Alright, we're putting Stephon Gilmore over here. And who else did I get? Alright, I got a middle linebacker. Hold on, guys.
For dinner, do you want chicken fingers, popcorn chicken, or spaghetti with marinara?
Alright, guys, sorry about that. Okay. Yeah, this was definitely worth it. Comment in the comment section if you think this was worth it. Now I have a 95 overall team. Alright, guys, that's the end of the video. Peace. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.